Here you have two options of registration, by email or phone number. For the first type, choose registration by email and enter your email address. Choose a secure password that contains 8 to 20 characters and at least one number and letters. Read and agree to the terms of use, then click the Sign Up button to complete your registration. Slide to the right to verify your information. Wait for the email verification code to be sent to your mailbox and enter the verification code you received. And by phone number, select the country code. Enter your phone number. Set your login password. Read through and agree to the terms of use. Then click Sign Up to complete your registration. Wait for the SMS verification code to be sent to your phone and enter the verification code you received. Congratulations on completing the registration and using Exolo now. Note, if your email address or phone number has been bound for one account at Exolo, it cannot be registered more than once.